Now, let's quickly go back to the numbers, worrying numbers of COVID-19 across of India. India Today has put together a coronavirus dashboard here, where we give you the numbers of coronavirus cases across of the country. Let's quickly go over to the total numbers that India is looking at currently. So far, at least 49,391 cases of coronavirus have been recorded across of India, while the death toll now has shot up to 1,694. Remember, 14,183 people of this number have now recovered and have been discharged. This is the numbers across of India. Let's quickly go over state-wise, where we're looking at Maharashtra, which is actually quite worrisome. We're looking at Mumbai, the worst hit, over 1,000 odd cases over 9,000 cases in Mumbai alone. Across of Maharashtra, the cases now stand at 50,525, while in Mumbai it stands at 9,000. Recovered people across of Maharashtra stands at 2,819, while the death toll in Mumbai has now risen to 617. Going to Gujarat, which is the next worst hit after Maharashtra. Gujarat, the confirmed cases now stand at 6,245. While the recovered numbers in Gujarat stands at 1,381. The death toll, however, has risen to 368. Then we have Tamil Nadu, which is also seeing a spike in numbers. Tamil Nadu's confirmed cases stand at 4,058. Recovered in Tamil Nadu now stand at 1,485. The death toll in Tamil Nadu stands at 33. Let's quickly go through Delhi, the national capital. 5,104 cases reported in Delhi. 64 deaths over the last 3 days. The death toll hasn't increased. The recovered number of people have now increased in Delhi to 1,468. These are numbers. A quick look at Madhya Pradesh, where confirmed cases now in Madhya Pradesh stand at 3,049, while recovered 1,000. The death toll in Madhya Pradesh is quite high, with 176 who've lost their lives out of the 3,000 odd cases. Now, these are the numbers as of 1:30. Given in by the Health Ministry. Let's quickly go over to Prime Minister Narendra Modi now, who's reviewed the status of India's coronavirus vaccine development and efforts in discovering the drug to cure the contagious virus. Prime Minister Modi reviewed the status of 30 vaccines which are in various stages of development. Sources say that few vaccines and drugs are undergoing trial stages currently. Prime Minister Modi asked officials to turn coordination between academicians, the industries and others into a standard operating procedure. All of them must work seamlessly together to find a solution. He was also briefed on the diagnostics and testing development in the country. Here's a meeting, Prime Minister Modi overseeing all of those developments with regards to finding a vaccine. In fact, Prime Minister Modi reviewed the status of India's coronavirus vaccine himself and urged for all concerned departments to come together in bringing results.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.